Hello everyone. Okay, today I'll be teaching. From where this word, Revit word, has been originated. One of the previous videos, I have told you, I will explain you what's the meaning of revise instantly and all. So in this video, I'll just teach you how this originated. Okay, so sit back, enjoy, and relax. Now just listen now. Right. Okay. So this is Revit. Revit and AutoCAD. Okay. Let's say we are drawing one building, or we are designing one building. This is the floor plan, let's say. This is the door. I'm giving you a simplest example, then we can see it. This is called floor plan. Floor plan means what? From top you are looking, okay? This is your eyes, let's say. This is the table, okay? And your drawing is here. You're looking from top. This is called floor plan, okay? Okay. Now, for this building, if you're looking from here, I'm looking from here. That means what? My eyes are here, okay? And I'm looking from here, okay? I will look at it will come something like this, isn't it? Door. This is called the door. It's the same thing. So this is called section view. Section means from sideways I'm looking, this side. I can call it actually south view. If this is north. Okay. We are talking about AutoCAD now, let's say, okay? In AutoCAD, okay, AutoCAD does not know this is wall or this is door. He knows this is a line. This is a line, this is a line, this is a line, line and arc. What is it? Line and arc. Okay, and we assume, we make an assumption. In AutoCAD, we make assumption. Assumption is, what is the assumption? Line, this line with this thickness is a wall. Okay, a wall of this type. And that arc or this symbol is a door. Okay, so this is assumed by us, and we assume it's like a legend. They call it a legend. In the legend, you will understand everything. In the legend, they mention everything. This is the wall, and this is door. Anyway, this is section view. I'm talking about AutoCAD. I'll come back to Revit. Okay, just actually this video is for Revit, but just to make you understand what is what. Right. Let me just drop this all, so I don't take Revit space here. Okay, let's suppose day-to-day life there are changes in life. Sometimes let's say this is the actual plan was this. Okay, you have a door here, and this is the section view. The same thing in the side view, isn't it? You're looking at the south view. From here you're looking at it. Okay, this same drawing. Okay, let's suppose, okay, this is the drawing. This and this is not linked together. We just make it. We assume. We say, okay, this is linked to this, and we're just telling it, but it is not linked. If this moves, this will not move. You will have to redo it. Okay, this is, let's say, the original plan. Okay, this is the original plan. Original plan was this one. Okay, good. After some time, so this client says, okay, John, I need you to design this, and I said, okay, fine, no problems with it. A piece of cake. Okay, after some time. Okay, when things go smooth, suddenly the client's wife come. Okay, this is not to insult anyone or something, but this happens really. Okay, let's say after 2 days or 3 days or something like this. Okay, client's wife says, you know what? I don't want the door to be here. I want the door to be there. Now I can't say anything, even though I'll be abusing her, but I'll have to just keep silent. So now I have to change every drawing this thing. Okay, it will be just improving my words of wisdom now. Okay, so this section view will be like this. Okay, okay, but not squeezed, but you get the picture. So every bloody drawing, I have to change it. So one revision means revision of everything. If now suppose there was another, let's say another door here. Okay, there's no cut here. Okay, and then the client wife comes and says, no, John, I want that door to be here. I say, bloody fuck you, rubbish. Now I have to draw every drawing. This has to be updated, isn't it? Hope this is clear so far. So in AutoCAD, there is no link. What I'm trying to tell, there is no link. No link between each drawing. There is no link, no physical link. There's no link. The word link, if you understand, there is no link. If this gets updated, or this gets revised, I have to revise this. There is no such thing as link. It doesn't automatically revise. But in Revit, okay, that's the beauty of Revit. You just draw things in a view. In one view you draw. In one view only you draw. Automatic updating. Okay, so you're always smiling in Revit. In AutoCAD, if suppose somebody changes, you get this like you're steaming. Okay, you're steaming if somebody asks you to change in AutoCAD. That's why AutoCAD generally, if you're drawing construction drawing in AutoCAD or not, if there's any changes, you're gonna get really pissed off. That's the story. You always. That's why AutoCAD is always there's a lot of drafting, lot of changes. It's annoying. It gets annoying. Revit is not like that. He says change. You said okay, piece of cake. I just change it. I move this door. This door automatic joins. Okay, and it's piece of cake. That's why it's called Revit. Revit means what? Revise instantly. Okay. Revise instantly. That's the meaning of Revit. Revise instantly. Revise instantly means what? Every view, every bloody view, it will update automatically. Every view, it will update automatically. It will update automatically. What will update automatically? Change. Okay, change will be updated automatically. So if there is one in one view, I'm going to explain this in a real life example. Okay, in the software. Okay, both of them. Okay, this is just the so-called whiteboard explanation. Okay, so every bloody view, this will change. Let's say, suppose tomorrow client says, can you please move the door from here to here? I said, oh, sure, why not? Automatically in one view, if I just make it a change in one view, automatic, this will be done. This door will not be here. This door will not be here. So I did not take tension, and this view get updated. This automatic is done. I will tell you what's the meaning of. Okay, I will show you to in maybe in the next slide or something. So let's consider this part 1. In part 2, you will see the real how did in the software. Let's say. Okay. Okay. See you.